Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like Simplified, a show that explains intense topic from around the world and simplifies it for you so that you can appear cooler in front of your friends.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hello all, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. This is Nikhil here. I have Vivek Krishnan with me in the studio. Yesterday's match between Delhi and... कौन था?
हाँ, होता है ऐसे कभी कभी. मैं भी सोचता हूँ डेली एंड गुजरात.
या 400 रन्स बनाए, मोर देन 400.
मैं सच बात बताऊं, मैं जब कॉलेज और स्कूल में हुआ, कॉलेज भी नहीं, स्कूल में हुआ करता था ना, घर के सामने एक मैदान था एंड दैट वाज बिगर देन फिरोजशाह कोटला. ठीक है, इसके आगे मेरे को कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है. टेकिंग नथिंग अवे फ्रॉम सैमसन और ऋषभ पंत, बट इट वाज और सुरेश, क्लास एक्ट, टॉप गाय, बहुत अच्छा दिल है. बाकी अभी क्या कहूँ, इट वॉज द स्टेज वॉज सेट फॉर ऋषभ पंत एंड विद द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी squad, I think India are going now, and the committee has asked, that is the CEO has asked BCCI to name the team as soon as possible. We might see Rishabh Pant in there because it's a timely innings. He has been in the fray. Mind you, he has already made a T20 debut for India.
Yes.
So there is a talk about Saha, Karthik, Uthappa, Parthiv. All these guys, I don't think will get a chance because you have to look to the future. What could also happen is they could say, we'll only go with MS. We don't need anybody else. If MS gets injured, then we'll probably Jadhav could be the option, you know, a part-time wicketkeeper.
Yeah. But I'll tell you what. इंग्लैंड का ग्राउंड इतना छोटा नहीं है.
इंग्लैंड का ग्राउंड इतना छोटा नहीं है, एग्जैक्टली. एंड द बॉल इज गोइंग टू निप, इट्स गोइंग टू बी पेसी, स्विंग, सीम, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. बट इट वाज अ फैबुलस इनिंग्स. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू हैव टू डिलीवर रिगार्डलेस ऑफ वेयर यू आर प्लेइंग, अगेंस्ट whom you are playing. And Rishabh Pant played a brilliant innings, and you could see the cheekiness in there. You could see the impetuousness also. You could see how he was a little mischievous at the presentation ceremony. You know, you expect that from an 18-19-year-old boy. This is great. He's the future, and Akash rightly said, future तो है ही, present भी है अगर आप उसको सही दिशा में use कर लो. So you know, you have to take
our
your
discussion
cap off.
on whether to pick Karthik or Rishabh Pant.
Yeah.
It paid off.
The way Karthik was going when I was on my way back home, I was like, oh man, this guy is spoiling the party. But we just had to wait for 20 more minutes, and out came Rishabh Pant, started going ballistic, and he was taking the Gujarat attack to the cleaners. Almost every ball went over the fence, and the way he was hitting it clean. Some mistimed shots to the, but obviously because of the shorter boundaries. In the end, they made a joke, and Harsha Bhogle put it very aptly. He said very politely, without any arrogance, Samson and Pant made a joke out of Gujarat today. So that was, and it was casual from Sanju. Yeah. It was brute force from Rishabh Pant. Yeah. It was nice to see. Delhi are in the fray, Gujarat gone. In the fray बोलने के लिए mathematical chance है, but I still don't expect them to make it.
In the fray का बात नहीं है. See, the thing is that even, you know, yesterday we were discussing the scheduling is so bad कि अभी Delhi का all matches are home. Like last 2 matches को पकड़ के.
Almost every second day they will play, and वो घर पे भी खेलेंगे. And they could build a fortress, but I don't think ऐसा होगा. They'll probably run into one of the stronger teams, and Mumbai, I think their campaign. There you go. So their campaign could end. But anyway, let's look ahead. Okay. Well done to Rishabh Pant. Well done to our fantasy team.
Yes.
Raina was very lucky. He did well. The only reason why we didn't pick Rabada was, like I explained to you, मुझे डर था कि दिल्ली टीम कुछ भी कभी भी कर सकती है. तो 50 रन पीट दिया उसको, मेरे को लगा शायद बैठ जाएगा. तो ऐसा ही होता है दिल्ली, और हम सेफ खेलेंगे because always remember, safe खेलना in the long run आपको help करेगा.
Okay.
And I had a good time in the league.
But I'll tell you what, थोड़ा अभी focus है ना IPL से side में निकालते हैं.
हाँ.
Let's move on to England versus Ireland.
This is a surprise. बहुत लोग शायद लोगों ने expect नहीं किया होगा. People must be. I think everybody is focusing only on the IPL. Many must have forgotten. Oh yes, suddenly a 2-match series is coming our way, and we are here to help you with that. So Nikhil, can you quickly run through the team that we have created?
Yes. Before that, there are few players who have shifted from IPL to England.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And there are few players who are still.
Okay.
So जो इंडिया में अभी भी है with their IPL commitment is Ben Stokes,
That's right.
Josh Butler, and
Chris Wokes. Yes, so these are the three players मैंने clearly article में mention कर दिया है. People who have left the IPL is Jason Roy, Sam Billings.
Okay.
So और ये दोनों खेलेंगे. Alex Hale should open. There is Moeen Ali, Adil Rashid, दोनों में से कोई एक खेलेगा. Morgan is the captain. Fast bowlers, like we said, there is no Chris Jordan, Nikhil, another important name we need to mention. There is Stephen Finn. Now people जिसको मालूम नहीं है, Stephen Finn is not a part of the Champions Trophy squad, I think. And he's only here because he did well against the West Indies, right? But they have other options in David Willey, who has been away from the game for a little bit, but we know how capable he is with the new ball. There is Jake Ball, Liam Plunkett,
Mark Wood.
Mark Wood is very pacey. Nikhil ने मेरे साथ कल बहस की बेकार में, तो he's a very, very pacey bowler, and I think Ireland a little wobbly, early summer, England never easy, the ball can nip around a bit, so I just feel England will be all over Ireland. Now there are two ways of playing this. Either you pick a full England batting lineup, expect England to score 300, or you pick a full pace England lineup and expect them to dislodge Ireland. So what we have done is we have had a nice blend of batsmen and bowlers for this round. And as the rule says, 4 Ireland ke cricketers to hone hai.
So I'll just go through the team. We start with the wicketkeeper spot, which is Neil O'Brien. Okay, यहाँ पे discussion होना है, but after the team I'll ask the question. Then we have in the batting category Jason Roy, Ian Morgan, Joe Root, Alex Hales. Pura England batting lineup. Joe Root is our captain, Alex Hales is our vice captain. In all-rounders category, we have Liam Plunkett, Kevin O'Brien, Paul Stirling. Paul Stirling to hona hi hai. And in the bowling category, we have Mark Wood, David Willey and Tim Murtiga. Now, you know, we have received a question on our social media that why have you picked Niall O'Brien? Because the wicket-keeping spot can go to Gary Wilson.
It could go to him. So I would like to make a few points here. The last series they played, that is Ireland against Afghanistan. Out of 5 matches, 4 matches, I think Niall O'Brien kept wickets. Gary Wilson was in and out of the squad. Niall O'Brien also batted very well. So I don't see Niall O'Brien or Gary Wilson going out of the team. These two are very experienced guys. Who would keep? Always a question mark, you never know. Similarly, Billings or Bairstow, who knows who's going to keep? And both are capable and both are in the Champions Trophy squad. Now there is a limitation in the portal itself. You don't have a few candidates. So nahi le sakte ho, right? So you have the option, either it's Sam Billings or you pick Niall O'Brien. We go with Niall O'Brien. Like I said, 4 players you have to pick. Then budget also comes into play. You can't say I'm only going to pick Billings, Hales, Roy, Root. Then do you have to let go Morgan? You don't know, because in my opinion, Billings is not going to open. When you have Hales and Roy, Billings will not get a chance. So, Jabardasti leke, he's going to bat 6 or 7, you don't know. What if England score 300 for 4? Then Morgan gets a chance. And we have seen he has made us pay in the past. So, considering these factors, budget, availability, and probable 11, we have picked Niall O'Brien as the keeper.
There is also possibility from Ireland point of view. Niall O'Brien and Gary Wilson both might be in the playing 11, but Gary Wilson will
But then it hardly matters. Look, like we have seen in limited overs cricket these days, anybody can keep, anybody can bat. It happens with Sri Lanka. If you remember, Kusal Perera is there, Dinesh Chandimal is there, Kaushal Silva is there, all these guys with AB de Villiers, Quinton de Kock, with Dhoni, with Jadhav, Pant. So many of these guys are around. So it's very difficult to say, okay, he is going to keep. Even England, I'm telling you, once Josh Butler comes in, there is going to be confusion. So it is what, this is something that you have to address. So Niall O'Brien finds a spot in our team for this game. Now, again, he could be in, he could go out. Sam Billings could go out. Johnny Bairstow might come in. But this is what was available to us, and we have to make use of it. It's as simple as that.
Okay, guys. The team is up on our website, thefangarage.com. Please log in there.
Just about a few hours to go.
Yeah. फटाफट अपनी टीम बना लो यार. Moving ahead, आज का IPL मैच not so interesting, बोर हो रहा है एक्चुअली इसके बारे में.
इनफैक्ट अगर कोई मैच में बारिश होना तो वो ये मैच है यार.
So RCB plays Kings 11 Punjab. RCB they are out of the tournament. They are playing for pride. बचा कुचा जो कुछ भी है बोस्टिंग देयर लाइनअप कि हमारे पास
कुछ भी नहीं है, बचा कुछ भी नहीं है उनके पास अभी. किंग्स 11 के पास भी कुछ नहीं है. मॉर्गन यहाँ पे चले गए. स्टिल हैव अ चांस तो है, बट अगेन मेरा एक सिंपल थियरी है यार, अगर ये सारे टीम्स 10 साल में कुछ नहीं कर पाए तो अभी ये 10 दिन में क्या करेंगे?
कम ऑन,
इतना सिंपल है. अब छोड़ दो, पुणे इज इन देयर, 4th स्पॉट हो चुका है डिसाइडेड. I don't expect Punjab to win today. Many will be shocked, but no, I don't expect them to win. I think RCB will win, playing at their home. Chris Gayle could come back to the team. Watson Head के बीच में टॉस अप हो सकता है, मिलने एंड बद्री एंड इसके बीच एंड मिल्स के बीच में हो सकता है टॉस अप. Foreign players छोड़ दो.
How many games they have played? 11?
I think so. They have only 3.
Still they are not sure about their starting
one of the
lineup.
reasons for their disaster campaign. I would say pick AB, pick Virat Kohli, pick Pawan Negi, pick Kedar Jadhav. बाद में जो भी होता है होने दो. Don't get too stressed about all these things. Don't pick them. And from Punjab, I'll tell you the trouble could be picking top 3, top 4. हमारी टीम में मैक्सवेल नहीं है.
नहीं है.
हाँ, I can see the disappointment written all over your face. So I will explain why. Sean Marsh, Hashim Amla, Martin Guptill, ये तीनों दिग्गज है. जैसे खेल रहे हैं इसमें मेरे को मैक्सवेल के लिए जगह नहीं मिल रहा है. प्लस बजट का प्रॉब्लम आता है. अगर मैं मार्टिन गप्टिल को बैंगलोर जैसे विकेट में छोड़ दूं ना, वो 6-7 ओवर में हमारा गेम बिगाड़ सकता है. मेरे को वो नहीं करना है. नंबर 2, हशीम आमला को अगर मैं छोड़ दूं तो लोग हमें गाली देंगे, ऑफिस के बाहर आके खड़ा हो जाएंगे कि ये क्या कर दिया तुमने. सो आई ऑल्सो हैव सर्टेन रेस्ट्रिक्शंस. मनन वोरा बिकॉज ऑफ बजट, नो अदर ऑप्शन. 8.5 में मैं अगर बैंगलोर में से किसी को लेने जाऊं तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. एंड there were 2 or 3 options available to me from Punjab. Manan Vora, Mohit Sharma and KC Kariyappa, and I had to go to Manan Vora just in case if they are 20-2, somebody needs to resurrect the innings.
Okay.
So not
let
expecting
me
big.
just go through the team that we have formed for this match. It is Kedar Jadhav, which is
हाँ तो obvious है. रिद्धिमान का तो अभी खास रोल नहीं है.
Then in batting category we have Martin Guptill, ABD Villiers, Virat Kohli, Manan Vora, Hashim Amla. Virat Kohli is our captain. Martin Guptill is our vice captain. In all-rounders category we have Pawan Negi, Akshar Patel, and in bowling we have
Akshar Patel, very useful.
Yeah. In bowling we have Zuvendra Chahal, Sandeep Sharma, and Aniket Chaudhary.
Aniket Chaudhary, सस्ता कोई तो चाहिए. This again, like I said, मार्टिन गप्टिल, हशीम आमला, विराट कोहली, एबीडी विलियर्स, बहुत पॉइंट्स कम बचते हैं. श्रीनाथ अरविंद और अनिकेत चौधरी इन माय ओपिनियन बोल्ड प्रीटी वेल, एंड विद 3 मैचेस टू गो आई डोंट थिंक दे शुड बी बेंचिंग हिम. दे शुड बी गिविंग हिम मोर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्ले. इफ यू हैव पिक समवन, इफ यू हैव शोन फेथ, लेट देम प्ले, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल अबाउट giving them the opportunity. So out of sheer desperation I've picked him. No other option. Okay. I can't be picking Kariyappa, I can't be picking Natarajan. I can't do that. So yeah.
Okay. Virat Kohli, Martin Guptill, you're
My
sure about?
only advice to you would be ये round में ज़्यादा घुसना नहीं leagues में. Keep it very simple. Don't play big. It's as simple as that. Yeah. And if it gets rained off, well and good.
Okay guys.
Let's look forward to the double header. Saturday and Sunday, yes.
Okay guys, we'll wrap this show over here. You can log on to our website, thefangarage.com. Both the teams are up on our website. If any doubt, ping us on our Twitter handle, TFG Fantasy 11, and on Facebook as Fantasy Pundit. You can listen to our podcast on Indusworks Media, SoundCloud, iTunes, Audioboom, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till then, bye-bye.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.